Hello students, as in the last lecture, we have studied the meaning and definition of a bookkeeping. According to J.R. Bartley Poe, bookkeeping is an art of recording business dealing in a set of books. It means what? Recording of a business transaction, recording of a buying and selling activity of a business in a proper set of books is known as what? Bookkeeping. Also, you can say that bookkeeping is an art as well as the science. Why the bookkeeping known as an art? Because art required the special skill, knowledge, right? So same way, to maintain the record, bookkeeping also required the skill and knowledge of that. And as we are knowing that science is based on certain proofs and practicals, right? So same way, the bookkeeping is also based on certain rules and principles. According to that principle only the business records are to be maintained. So as we can say that bookkeeping is an art as well as science. In today's lecture we will go move further with the objectives of bookkeeping. First objectives of bookkeeping is to keep a complete and accurate record of all the financial transaction in a systematic, ordinary and logical manner. It means what? To providing the to maintain the complete record and accurate record, but not only a messy style, it must be a systematic, orderly and logical manner. As so first object, we can say the objective of a first of bookkeeping is to say that complete and accurate record of all the financial transaction, it means money involvement transaction, in a systematic, orderly and logical manner. Second objective is to not only maintaining the record but to maintain the record in properly date wise and account wise. It means what? As you are in your family, suppose 5 members are there and all 5 members are having the account in the Bank of India. So Bank of India will provide you the 5 separate passbook with the 5 separate bank account number of all 5 family members. So same way, the bookkeeping object is to maintain the record date wise and as per the account wise. It means each heading should be on a separate account. Then third objectives of bookkeeping is to serve a permanent record of all the monetary transactions of an enterprise business, and it can be produced as an evidence whenever and wherever required. It means what? The bookkeeping main objective is to what? Not only record maintaining the record, but it is a permanent record, to maintain the permanent record of all the monetary, it means money involvement transactions, buying and selling activity of what? Of enterprises business, and it should be produced. It means what? Whenever the record should be demanded, it must to be produced. For what reason? For giving as an evidence wherever and whenever it's required. The next object of a bookkeeping is to find out the profit and loss of a business during the financial year. Now financial year, it means what? During a one particular year, right? And as we are knowing that every person, every man is doing the business to earn the only profit, right? He's trying, or every company is trying to earn more and more amount of profit. So bookkeeping has to give, bookkeeping is work, or bookkeeping is for what purpose? To find out the company the exact profit or a loss during a one particular year. Then next objectives of a bookkeeping is to know the total assets and liabilities of the enterprises. Now what the record should be maintained? To find out the assets, it means what is the total property of a business. Suppose if your family having the three flats, right? So what is the property of your family? Your family property is 3 flats, right? It means it is your total assets of your family. So same way, what is the total property of a business? Liability, it means loan. suppose if your father has taken the education loan for your higher education of rupees 30 lakhs, so your family loan is 30 lakhs. So family liabilities in the form of a loan is 30 lakhs. So same way, to find out the total liabilities of enterprises, bookkeeping is gives. Then to bookkeeping object is to know what the businessman owes to others and what others owes to him. Now owes to others, it means how much money or what the businessman has to outsider. Now who are these outsider? The suppliers from whom he purchased the raw material, to the government in the form of a tax, right? So etc, that is the owes to others. And what others owes to him, it means the business company is selling the goods, so customers is paying the money, right? So that money received from the customer, it means others owe to him. Then businessman comes to know the current year progress over previous year and compares it financial results with the other business enterprises in similar line. Now what is the object of bookkeeping? If a proper books of records are to be maintained, then current year progress, current year profit is compared with the last year, so that businessman can make the future best planning to earn the higher amount of profit, right? Then second thing, the business or the company can compare their progress to the similar line business which is available in the market, so that the businessman can also find out the loopholes and the strengths of a business. So all these are the objectives of a bookkeeping. Now students, we will move further with the importance of bookkeeping. Why the bookkeeping is important in the business, right? First important is to record. Now for what reason the bookkeeping is important? For maintaining the record, right? Suppose if all the documents, all the records is not kept properly, right, systematically, date wise, account wise, if all this record is not keeping, then it is not possible the businessman to remember all the transaction, right? But bookkeeping maintains the record of all the transaction permanently and systematically, so it's help to the company. Then second important, so you can say that financial information, right? Bookkeeping provide the financial information to the company, to the businessman, in which related to the profit, related to the loss, properties of a business, loans of a business, liabilities, investment, stock, at every time, every given time. It means what? If suppose a company required the last 5 years record of a business, growth of a business, investment of a company, that can be get through only the bookkeeping, right? Then decision making. Why the bookkeeping is important? The bookkeeping gives the detailed information about the company, detailed business about the company to the business, about to the businessman, which helps to get the management. Or bookkeeping provides the financial information to the businessman, which helps the businessman for this to take the right decision at the right time to grow the business, right? Then again, bookkeeping is important in the form of a controlling. Now how controlling? Now bookkeeping enables the executive of a business to control the activities of the business. It means what? If the proper records are maintained, the businessman take the right decision, where are the extra expenses are goes, what is the loopholes, why the company is lacking behind, all this decision can be taken through only bookkeeping, and it helps to control the losses of a business. Then evidence. Businessman needs financial evidences to be produced in the court of law in case of any dispute. Suppose if a customers make any case on the businessman, so the if the records is properly, the businessman can provide that record, that documents in the court. Same way, if suppliers makes any query, and again that time also the businessmen produce these evidences in the court. Then last importance is the tax liability. As doing the business, the company or the businessman has to pay the liability tax to the government, right? In various forms such as the income tax, property tax, GST, etc., right? If the records are properly maintained, this helps to find out the tax amount, this helps to find out the tax liability to be payable to the government. So students, this all these are the objectives and importance of bookkeeping and accountancy. Just go through it. Again I am repeating, objectives is to find out the profit and loss, to find out the assets and liabilities. Same way the importance of a bookkeeping are in the bookkeeping is important for recording, for financial information, for decision making, for controlling, for evidence. It provide the evidences, then it gives the information for calculating the tax liability. So students, just go through it.